Alright, so welcome back. So this video is going to show you how to remove and reinstall a garbage disposal. And the background story on this is that I had gone under the cabinet to get some a garbage bag, a replacement garbage bag, and I noticed there's water on the bag. So looking up, water was dripping off the bottom of the garbage disposal. So our setup is that our dishwasher also discharges directly into the garbage disposal. So I checked all those connections, ran the dishwasher, made sure it wasn't leaking around the gasket at the sink itself, and it wasn't coming out of any of the other connections, and it wasn't. It seemed to be coming straight through the electrical system on the garbage disposal. So we decided to replace it. It was about 13 years old, and the whole purpose of this channel is to show basic DIY things that you can do. And so what did I do? I got online and watched videos on how to do it. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's actually a pretty simple process. It really would not take that long if you have done it before and you could get the darn thing off the sink. So I put this video together. It ended up taking me after we bought the garbage disposal, it ended up taking a little over an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes or something like that. The downside is, and I apologize in advance for this, phones, I recorded this on my phone, took some pictures on my phone. Phones are largely idiot-proof today, and I managed to screw up almost all of the videos trying to put the thing back in. I will say that when you put one back in, it helps to have two people there. Those things, they're not terribly heavy, but when you're trying to hold it up and do something else, it gets heavy really, really fast. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me any questions below. I'm going to add some commentary on here, and I've got some pictures, but I hope it helps. It's an easy process, and I believe you can do it. Just set aside some time. So step one is, of course, safety first. Since I'm going to be working with the electric and I'm working on this disposal, go out to your panel, find the disposal, and flip that off just to make sure the power is absolutely off over there. Next up, what you're going to see is the unit, the disposal, is actually held onto the bottom of the sink by a locking ring. Now, you should be able to support the unit, grab that ring, and twist it, and the whole thing just comes free. Alternately, when you reinstall it, you push it up there, get it set, and then just click the ring into place. What you're going to see in this next video is the little tool that comes with garbage disposals that allow you to get underneath and turn it manually if it happens to get jammed. That tool is also perfectly sized to slide into one of those holes on the locking ring, and you should be able to just turn it. In my case, I ended up not only trying to use that tool, but taking a screwdriver to it. I pried on it. I hit it with a hammer. I did everything, and as you'll see, the magic ingredient I was missing was a can of WD-40. Sprayed up there around the top side of the ring, wait a few minutes, and it broke right free.